Introducing the AVProEdge AC-EXO-X-KIT 40Gbps HDMI extender via optical fiber, a revolutionary solution for flawless audio-visual transmission over long distances. With its advanced optical fiber technology and impressive bandwidth of 40 gigabits per second, this extender kit guarantees unrivaled performance and reliability for your audio-visual needs. Experience unparalleled signal transmission with the AC-EXO-X-KIT, capable of delivering crystal-clear audio and video quality over distances of up to 300 meters, or 984 feet. Unlike traditional HDMI extenders, this kit ensures minimal signal degradation, loss, and interference, providing you with pristine visuals and immersive sound. Invest in long-term peace of mind with the AVProEdge AC-EXO-X-KIT, backed by a 10-year guarantee. This extender kit is built to last, with its durable construction and high-quality components ensuring reliability and longevity. Whether you're a home theater enthusiast, an AV professional, or a business owner, this kit is the perfect choice to elevate your audio-visual experience and future-proof your setup. Upgrade your audio-visual setup today with the AVProEdge AC-EXO-X-KIT 40Gbps HDMI extender via optical fiber. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals and captivating sound, knowing that your investment is protected by a 10-year guarantee. Don't settle for anything less than exceptional performance and reliability. Choose the AC-EXO-X-KIT and unlock the full potential of your audio-visual system. For further information, contact us with these details or go to our website.